Day 17 started like another great dream. This day was spent on a boat. There's certainly a lot of unique conditions to being on a boat. So instead of cooking in the galley, we cooked on the stern. And we figured out how to mount the go on a racking system. So we could point it to the sun and get all the heat out of the galley and cook up on the deck. Andy's figuring out how to mount the go to the rail. First time ever. Can you hold it? Sitting on the dock of the bay with the GoSun Go. We've got it mounted with a GoPro system package, which is super sweet here. And just roasted up some crescent rolls for breakfast. While preparing to sail, we made all kinds of food on the boat. I made some stuffed mushrooms for lunch, and then I discovered some broccoli from last night that had been left in the grill. Nice and crispy. Finally, we prepared up a bunch of food so that while we were out sailing, we could come back to a hot dinner.
Straight out?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it. It's starting to get caramelized. That's good.
Even the Go went with us as we took to the high seas. I couldn't have my camera out for much of the sail because the seas were easily 10 feet and the wind was blowing hard, almost 25 knots. In the bridge.
Just in time for the bridge opening.
So that the
Planned it out.
mast can be smoothly drawn forward.
I wanna jam it with you.
The boat was listing 30 degrees plus, and nobody could do anything but just hold on. Back on shore, I was just lucky enough to be alive. And the food that we had left out, oh yeah, that cooked up.
Them fill the earth with peas and church and oros. Love the rum bar, yet them eat the puros. Them take the microchip and override the pour out. Less food, more jolt and more mouth. Oh,
I was so happy to be on Tierra Firma, to be on Earth again after a sail like that. So I went to the beach and hung out with some kite surfers. The key with rice is to be on a level surface. We got this done in the last hour of sunlight.
Yeah. This is the bok choy. Oh, the bok choy is perfect. See how it's just, I put some ginger, a little salt and pepper, some red pepper flakes. So that is gonna be done.
Don't worry.
It's got no stabilization effect. I'm in a dangerous position. With how you can take it up to the sunset.
About a thing.
This meal was one of the more incredible I've ever had, solar cooked or not.